tree trunk. Ooh, that hit me. So guys, we have David out there trying to cast a line. Let's hope he can catch some fish for us. What happened to your line? So something was wrong with it.
Alright.
So where are you planning to catch it?
To be honest, I don't really care anything. Right now, anything. Anything will do.
So the line is out. Let's see what the
2 shrimp on, let's see what happens.
let's see what the twinsies doing here. Twinsies, what are you guys doing here? Trying to catch the tattoo and chip chip. Well, I'm gonna say good luck. We gotta eat, but you can't run from the water.
How big you want this tattoo?
Had it been
The size that we had before was good.
oh, a little bigger, but I had only chipped out. I know if them guys can see this. I only chip you, but I get more sand and chip there.
You see tattoo here somewhere.
Okay, well, see if you get chip. You catch the next one? Well, how are you catching them? I catching seaweed.
The difference between a real fisherman and a fake fisherman is seaweed and fish. Now I'm gonna catch a big one.
But what you having them on shrimp?
Yeah.
Would I have shrimp too?
These are girl catfish. They like boys.
So what you gonna do with it now? You're gonna throw it away?
Yeah, too small to eat. I want a big one about 10 times as big.
Fish right there.
He caught how big I see tattoo. Look how big he is. And I want to know if this is the eyes or that is the eyes. That's the eyes. Let's see. Nope. Oh, that was the antenna. We got another one. Is that bigger one? Yeah.
Oh yes, man. Nice man, Ari.
I catch it.
Oh, good job, Darius. Good job.
But I pick it up. Yeah, I like to touch them. We need to dig up and see that. Deeper. No, we have to dig up ahead. No, not there. They like wet sand. Alright, they like wet sand. Alright, okay, should be good. Just dig. Dig until it's something hard. I'll do something hard. Oh, I see something. And let's see what we got. Wait, a chip. Chip number no. How was that? Look, chip. That's what you found. You found? I found another one. Not too small. Do you see this? You can let this one go. You can keep that one. That is a sea tattoo. See, this is a sea tattoo. There's where it up. Where did Chip gone? Yeah, man. No. Look.
I'm trying to catch a fish here in the river. But bites already. Let's see, boy, see what you got, boy, just better sit.
You're gonna be fishing. You're gonna be people on a fishing rod. That your fishing rod? Will you get something there? Will you get something? What fish you getting? The next catfish?
Darius. Catch something?
Well, today you're on a road with catfish, but you seem to be throwing it back because it's too small.
Well, I want a big one. I'm here to catch a big one. This weekend I'm going to catch a big one. Coming back here camping.
So guys, we moved to a new spot.
No, the line is all tangled up.
So you catch a catfish.
This catfish is going to not live if it doesn't have the young.
Ooh, there's something shaking up in the water there. What's that?
Small, Now, go back down there and tell your grandmother or your grandfather that I'm here.
And come up.
And they should bite. Mommy claims she's got something here.
Yes, I sure I get something. I'm feeling the tug. Maybe with Darius line.
No, she got something.
Ah, Darius, I get a fish. I want to find you that.
Oh God, it's a toady!
Ooh, toady fish. I keep in that.
Big
oh
toady
God,
too.
I get a toady fish. And a big
What,
too.
Darius got? Darius got something too. Bring it up, Darius. Big old log you get.
You keeping this toady fish?
No.
So guys, I caught my first fish just today. Ooh, toady fish.
I catch my first log. I catch my first log. Does that count?
No, that don't count.
No. Ooh, thing up poisonous. Like, and thing like that. Ooh. Ariana.
Stop biting the hook, boy. I'm trying to let you go here.
Double pliers. Straight in 5. Say puffing up.
Gonna puff it up.
I want to feel it.
You jumpy? Big fish, boy.
Better be a fish this time, Darius.
You don't know the story about the boy who cried wolf?
Yes.
I ain't seen nothing flapping there now.
Seems like Darius is that boy. Crying
get
wolf.
fish?
Or crying fish.
Oh my God, what the fish? Oh, bleh.
Oh, there.
Tell your subscribers what's going on with your day today. Talk to us, watch us.
I don't know how long I've been.
Poor fella. Not too sure about log and a fish.
Darius goes fishing, he thinks he's trying to catch log.
So, Ari hook up on this road, the green road here. She fast to see if she could get out of it. And then shoot the giant road here. Ari, you catching anything there? You feel anything? You feel any bite? You feel a bite? Catch a big one, eh? What kind of fish is that? A catfish again. Oh man, a fish. Let me see what I catch here.
Another toady, I'm sure.
Oh my God, next door, do you feel so? Ah, what is that?
A
Catfish.
catfish.
Oh, good.
Baby.
Baby catfish. Not
You
even one we
can't-
can eat.
Well, you can't catch big catfish here, boy. Like about a 10-15 pounds. Okay, well, I'm not taking all this from this one because I'm not holding that catfish.
I'm not holding it either.
So who's doing that, boy?
Babe, what's about the hook? The hook good, you know?
Well, here, then undo this. Let me cast a couple times. I'm gonna try my new bait here. I'm gonna see if I can catch a snapper. See if this river has any snapper. Or maybe
Darius, what do you think? You will catch or not? Darius, what do you think? You will catch or not? You won't catch?
I can't catch. Not you.
Did you catch anything?
tree.
Get a tree trunk, I think. Darius, what are you doing?
I don't lose that bait.
Walking and see.
Your dad like wrong.
Let's go in there and see how deep that is.
No.
Dad like wrong. Let's touch it. Let's touch
Let me hold it, babes.
Don't pull it, huh? I gotta go in. Let's see how deep it is.
How are you catching? Yeah, I feel a little tug on it. So these two jackaninies here.
Me?
Well, this one jackanini there. There. He big cast, he want to catch a snapper, but he catch some tree trunk. Ooh, that deep, babes. You get Ariana line there? Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Fast, 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 fast. Where you catch it? It burst.
Just got back the weight.
Darius. Cast your hand on that side.
Yeah. Keep it up there and bring
Look,
it.
look, look, something jump in there.
Go fix that. You got that has to reel in fast, boy. Where's the line?
Remember there's that tree trunk right there, so root in fast, 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 fast. On the water, on the water. So guys, we rocking up here. We headed up the road. Tomorrow we will be back here, definitely, to come for the next 2 days. And we're bringing you guys along for the ride with us. So we're going to see you all tomorrow. So we're going to show you guys exactly where we're camping tomorrow when we come back. So hope you enjoyed this video today. We're going.